Now let's talk about the important highlights of the plan. In order to join Atomy, there is no joining fees. Not only this, there is no annual fees attached to the plan. Once you have your member ID, which is ADN, Atomy Distributor Number, you can pass it on up to 3 generations, and on the same ID, your family can do the business. In most of the companies, you must have seen the commissions are distributed on monthly basis. However, in Atomy, we distribute the general commission on weekly basis. Once you purchase products from our websites and you acquire personal PVs, they are valid for lifetime and never gets flushed out. At the same time, Atomy organizes its seminars free of cost for all our distributors, their family and friends. You will be surprised to know that Atomy creates equal opportunities for all our distributors. Atomy compensation plan is designed in such a way that whenever you have joined Atomy, only because of your hard work and dedication, you can be successful. Atomy shares culture of sharing success, and hence, in order to be successful, it is imperative that you have to help your downline members and members associated with you. Now is the time I will talk about 5 different benefits which our distributors receive from Atomy. Number 1 is retail profit. Number 2, general commission. Number 3, mastership bonus. Number 4 is mastership incentive and promotional benefits. And last but not the least, it's education center commission. So firstly, let's talk about retail profit. Atomy provides up to 25% of retail profit to all our distributors. Distributors can purchase our products from the website and sell the products on MRP to the consumers. Please note that different products have different retail margin. Let's talk about Atomy the Fame set. Distributors can purchase Fame on distributor price, which is 7,906 rupees, but they can sell the product to the consumers on MRP of 9,100 rupees. Not only this, after purchasing the Fame, distributors will receive 60,000 personal PVs in their account. Now is the time to talk about Atomy dealership. Atomy has 5 types of dealership, starting from sales representative, agent, special agent, dealer, and exclusive distributor. Based on the dealership category and the PV calculation, general commission is distributed to our distributor, which is the first type of benefit. General commission is calculated on daily basis and scores are generated ranging from 5 till 300. Please note that the value of one score is 264.2 rupees in India. Now, for more information on general commission and our overall compensation plan, I would recommend you to visit our website, which is www.atomy.com/in, and check our compensation plan section. On general commission, let me tell you about the calculations. As I told that it is a daily calculation which happens on South Korean time, 12 midnight till the next night 11:59 p.m., which will be in India from 8:30 p.m. till the next night 8:29 p.m. This calculation happens between Wednesday till Tuesday, and the commission for this cycle is given on the following Tuesday. Now we'll move on to the third benefit, which is mastership bonus. Mastership bonus is given to all our masters on their promotion, starting from Sales Master, Diamond Master, Chiron Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, and then Imperial Master. Mastership bonus is 20% of the global PVs. Out of the 20%, 10% is exclusively reserved only for Sales Master, and remaining 10% is given between Diamond Master till Imperial Master. Mastership bonus is calculated in 2 cycles in a month, starting from 1st till 15th, which is the first cycle, and the second cycle starts from 16th till end of the month. Please note that the bonus is paid out on 22nd of the month for the first cycle, and for the second cycle the bonus is paid out on the 7th of the following month. You will be happy to know that not only the mastership bonus, but our masters receive mastership promotion and incentive benefits. Now let's start from sales master. For sales master, 2 sets of Atomy the Fame and 1 set of Atomy evening set is given. For Diamond Master, 2 sets of Atomy the Fame set, 1 laptop or computer or a tablet, along with 1 set of Atomy Evening Care set is given. For Chiron Rose Master, 2 people's travel package is given for 3 nights and 4 days, along with cash prize of 1,20,000 rupees. For Star Master, 4 people's travel package is given for 3 nights and 4 days. Along with that, cash prize of 6 lakhs rupees is given. For Royal Master, 4 travel tickets for 10 nights and 11 days, car rental fees, sponsorship activity amount of 1,20,000 rupees, and not only this, cash prize of 30 lakh rupees is given. For Crown Master, 4 travel tickets for 10 nights and 11 days, a luxury car, sponsorship activity amount of 3 lakh rupees, and a cash prize of 1 crore 80 lakh rupees is given. And finally, for Imperial Master, 4 travel tickets for 10 nights and 11 days, luxury car with driver, sponsorship activity amount of 6 lakh rupees, office space with assistant, and cash prize of 6 crore rupees is given. Now, last but not the least, the 5th benefit, which is Education Center Commission benefit. It is given to center leader. 6% of the center PV is given as a benefit to our center leaders. For more understanding on Education Center benefits, I would like to invite Mr. Jacob. Thank you.
Thank you, Shilpa. It was nice and informative session. Thank you all for joining. It's my great pleasure to be here with you all. My name is Jacob, Atomy India Education Center Manager. Today I'll be explaining about the benefit of Atomy Education Center. Why should a distributor start Atomy Education Center? As we know, we Atomians follow our company motto: cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, and serve in humility. Let's see how it's connected with the benefit of Atomy Education Center. We value our prestigious members and support them to achieve success. By operating Education Center, you get opportunity to develop presentation, communication, and interpersonal skill, which eventually leads to improve overall personality. For achieving any goal, we should have a vision. Here, Education Center is a medium for creating a vision to achieve a goal with passion and reaching higher masterships. We need to behold faith for faster achievement of your goals through Education Center, with minimum cost to represent a multinational company, which helps to make a stronger and bigger team, ultimately leading to success. With achievement, we should be humble and while interacting and serving the community. So these are the benefit a education center leader can get and grow together with us exponentially. Thank you so much. Over to our COO, Mr. Rahul Kokadwar, will be explaining about the products.
Hello everyone, Namaste. I am going to tell about the products which will be available at the time of online shopping mall opening. We will be starting with 39 products in India. And the first product is Atomy the Fame Skincare Set. The MRP of this product is 9,100 rupees. Whereas you will get 60,000 PV when you purchase this product. If you buy individual products, then sum total of MRP is 10,100 rupees. So if you buy a set, then you will save 1,000 rupees. The price in Korea is around 5,000 rupees without tax, whereas in India it is 6,700 rupees, which is nearly 35% higher than Korea. At the same time, PVs in Korea are 44,000, whereas in India it is 60,000 PVs, which is also 35% higher than Korea. This rule is applicable all across our product line. Our second product is Atomy Toothpaste. Atomy Toothpaste is available in two variants. One is 50 gram, which consists of 4 tubes, and second one is 200 gram, which consists of 5 tubes. Our third product is Atomy Toothbrush. Atomy Toothbrush is also available in two variants. One is Atomy Toothbrush for adults and second one is Atomy Compact Toothbrush for kids. You will get this product at 1000 MRP and you will get 6000 PV when you purchase a Atomy Toothbrush. Our next product is Atomy Oral Care System. Atomy Oral Care System consists of one toothbrush, one toothpaste 50 gram and one interdental brush. Interdental brush is very useful to remove the stuck particles from the teeth. Our next product is Atomy Hand Soap. During this pandemic corona, maintaining hygiene and washing hand is very essential. So, we brought this product at the launch itself. Our next product is Atomy Daily Mask. Atomy Daily Masks are available in 3 variants and the MRP of this product is 1000 rupees and you will get 4000 PVs. Our next product is Atomy Sunscreen. Sunscreen also available in 2 variants. One is beige and second one is white, and pack size of this product is 60 ml. Our next product is Atomy BB Cream. Atomy BB Cream contains SPF 30 PA++ and pack size of this product is 40 ml. Our next product is Atomy Healthy Glow Base. This product also contains SPF 30 PA++ and pack size of this product is 33 ml. Our next product is Atomy Evening Care Set. In this set, there are 4 individual products and all these individual products will also be available separately. The sum total of MRP of individual product is 3,600 rupees, whereas when you buy in set, then the price of the same is 3,300. So you will save nearly 300 rupees by purchasing a set. Our next product is Atomy Hydra Brightening Set. Atomy Hydra Brightening Set consists of 2 individual products, but we will not be having individual product at the time of launch separately. Definitely we'll bring this product after some time. Our next product is Atomy Scalp Care Set. Atomy Scalp Care Set consists of Scalp Care Shampoo and Scalp Care Conditioner. Both are available in 500 ml. Our next product is Atomy Hair and Body Set. Atomy Hair and Body Set consists of 4 individual products, out of which 3 individual products will be available separately. Atomy Herbal Hair Tonic will not be available separately. Instead of that, we will be having Atomy Sangmodang Hair Tonic. Pack size of the same is 200 ml. Our next product is Atomy Herbal Hair Treatment. Atomy Herbal Hair Treatment pack size is 200 ml. MRP of the product is 800 rupees and you will get 3700 PV from this product. Our next product is Atomy Hair Essential Oil. Pack size of same is 100 ml. This product is very essential in India because many people are facing hair fall and hair related issues. That's why we are launching this product also at the time of online shopping mall launch. Our next product is Atomy Cleansing Travel Kit. Atomy Cleansing Travel Kit consists of 6 individual products. All are available in 40 ml. Our next product is Atomy The Fame Skincare Travel Kit. This is a mini version of our Atomy The Fame Skincare Set. This product is very useful at the time of travel. This product consists of 4 individual products. Our next product is Atomy Scrubber. This is a multi-purpose scrubber which consists of 4 scrubber in one pack. And MRP of this product is 600 rupees and you will get 1200 PV. Our last product is Atomy Stainless Scrubber. This consists of 2 scrubbers and PVs from this product will be 1000 PVs. This is all about 39 products which will be available at the time of online shopping mall opening. Now we will go into details about 3 products. Ishita will come and describe Atomy The Fame Skincare Set and I will be back after some time. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Ishita and I am here to tell you about the unique features of the most effective skincare system, the Fame. Skincare system, the Fame set contains 5 products. First, Atomy The Fame Toner. Second, Atomy The Fame Eye Cream. Third, Atomy The Fame Essence. Fourth, Atomy The Fame Lotion. And fifth, Atomy The Fame Nutrition Cream. From last 10 years, skincare system, the Fame, has been very effective in improving the skin quality of many people. At present, out of all the products which are going to be launched in India, this product has the highest PV. Atomy Skincare System, the Fame, is made of new technology and it includes triple oil, argan candle oil, shea butter, microcapsules and phytosqualane. Argan candle oil hydrates the skin, acts as an antioxidant and increases the elasticity of the skin. Shea butter softens the skin and maintains moisture in it. Phytosqualane prevents moisture loss in the skin. Also, new products have been used in it, such as panthenol, which provides vitamin B5 to our skin, which keeps our skin healthy. Hyaluronic acid binds the moisture and ceramide forms a layer in the skin which prevents it from pollution. These elements reduce skin irritation and because of these characteristics, the Fame have been given a 5-star rating by the German Derma test, which is the highest rating. The Fame is prepared from high purification technology, fresh herb extraction biotechnology, fermentation technology and multiple capsule delivery technology. Now let me tell you process of using the Atomy Skin Care System, the Fame. First of all, use Atomy Fame Toner which creates tightness in our skin. Then apply Fame Eye Cream around the eyes. This makes the skin soft around the eyes. Now use the Fame Essence which nourishes the skin. After essence, apply the Fame Lotion. It creates moisture in the skin. In the end, apply the Fame Nutrition Cream. It maintains the moisture and elasticity of your skin. Now let me tell you about the products in detail. Atomy The Fame Toner. Atme Toner hydrates the skin without any irritation. The skin moisturizing system works in our skin in 3 ways. Soluble moisture components treats the dead skin cells. Beta-glucan protects your skin and prevents it from irritation. Fermented high molecules give a moisturizing effect to your skin. Atme the Fame Eye Cream. Atme the Fame Eye Cream forms a second layer of skin around your face and eyes to prevent it from wrinkles and fine lines. Due to the HST crystal technology found in it, they are deeply absorbed into our skin so that the nutrients remain intact. Atme the Fame Essence. Atme the Fame Essence delivers nutrients deep into our skin, and it's the micro delivery system delivers more benefits to the skin effectively. Atme the Fame Lotion. Atme the Fame Lotion maintains the oil balance in the skin, and with the help of soft roll matrix system, nutrients reach our skin immediately. Atme the Fame Nutrition Cream. Atme the Fame Nutrition Cream prevents continuous moisture loss in the skin and increases skin tightness. The key ingredients found in Atme skincare system, the Fame, is not only to hydrate your skin, but at the same time it removes the dirt from your skin, removes wrinkles and maintains the tightness of the skin. Now I would like to invite Ms. Richa for next product explanation.
Namaste, I am Richa. I am here to explain you about Atme toothpaste. Atme toothpaste comes in 2 sets. First variant contains 5 tubes of 200 grams and second variant contains 4 tubes of 50 grams.